So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to order your physical card on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app is opened up, go to the bottom left, press on the home icon, and then your virtual card, which for me is the baseball card right here. It says one card on the spend tab. So if you're on credit or if you're on borrow or whatever, make sure that spend is pressed, and then just press on your virtual card. So once you're on this screen right here, this will be your virtual card. If you want to go ahead and order a physical copy of the virtual card, where it says get your physical card right here, order your free physical card today, and it'll arrive in 14 days. You can also just slide right here to where it says get your physical card at the bottom, and then select that if you want. It'll then bring you to this screen where you can go ahead and choose a design. So you can go ahead, do lavender or indigo. In this case, I'll just keep it at indigo and then I'll press on next. You then have to go ahead and confirm your address by confirming and then proceed with the shipment that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to order your physical card, credit card that is, on the KOHO Financial, I guess not credit card, debit card, on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.